5 second. Earlier the air we breathe in used to be pure and fresh. Stop. But due to increasing industrialization and concentration of poisonous gases in the environment, the air is getting more and more toxic day by day. Stop. Also, these gases are the cause of many respiratory and other diseases. Stop. Moreover, the rapidly increasing human activities like the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation is the major cause of air pollution. Stop. Para change. The fossil fuel, firewood, and other things that we burn produce oxides of carbons which got released into the atmosphere. Stop. Earlier, there happens to be a large number of trees which can be easily filter the air we breathe in. Stop. But with the increase in demand for land, the people started cutting down of trees which caused deforestation. Stop. That ultimately reduced the filtering capacity of the tree. Stop. Moreover, during the last few decades, the numbers of fossil fuel burning vehicle increased rapidly, which increased the number of pollutants in the air. Stop. Para change. It cause include burning of fossil fuel and firewood, smoke released from factories, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, bombardment, asteroids, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, carbon oxide, and many more. Stop. Besides, there are some other air pollutants like industrial waste, agriculture waste, power plants, thermal nuclear plants, etc. Stop. Para change. The greenhouse effect is also the cause of air pollution because air pollution produces the gases that greenhouse involves. Stop. Besides, it increases the temperature of Earth's surface so much that the polar caps are melting and most of the UV rays are easily penetrating the surface of the earth. Stop. Para change. The air pollution has many bad effects on the health of people. Stop. It is the cause of many skin and respiratory disorder in human beings. Stop. Also, it causes heart disease to. Stop. Air pollution causes asthma, bronchitis, and many other diseases. Stop. Moreover, it increases the rate of aging of lungs, decreases lungs function, damage cells in the respiratory system. Stop. Para change. Although the level of air pollution has reached a critical point. Stop. But, there are still ways by which we can reduce the number of air pollutants from the air. Stop. Para change. Reforestation. The quality of air can be improved by planting more and more trees as they clean and filter the air. Stop. Para change. Policy for industries. Strict policy for industries related to filter of gases should be introduced in the countries. Stop. So, we can minimize the toxins released from factories. Stop. Para change. Use of eco-friendly fuel. We have to adopt the uses of eco-friendly fuels such as LPG, liquid petroleum gas, CNG, compressed natural gas, biogas, and other eco-friendly fuels. Stop. So, we can reduce the amount of harmful toxic gases. Stop. Para change. To sum it up, we can say that the air we breathe is getting more and more polluted day by day. Stop. The biggest contribution to the increase in air pollution is of fossil fuels which produce nitric and sulfuric oxides. Stop. But, humans have taken this problem seriously and devoted working to eradicate the problems that they have created. Stop. Above all, Many initiatives like plant tree, use of eco-friendly fuel are promoted worldwide. Stop. Para change. Water saving is a universal responsibility of every person who can lives on this earth. Stop. In order to save water, we have to adopt various means that can help in maintaining the level of fresh water on earth. Stop. As the accessibility of fresh water is depleting, water conservation and saving initiatives are increasing to save water for future generations. Stop. Para change. The first reason can be too much wastage of fresh water and careless use of water on daily use. Stop. Second can be the pollution for industries that adds untreated water to the river and lakes on a daily basis. Stop. The third reason can be pesticides and chemical fertilizers are also polluting the fresh water. Stop. Apart from this, sewage water is also dumped into river that pollute water. Stop. Para change. There are many ways in which we can save water and minimize their pollution. Stop. Besides, these methods include proper treatment of industrial water before dumping them into rivers. Stop. Also, using only the required amount of water and avoiding wastage. Stop. Apart from that, we can make people aware about water problem by means of social campaigns and other ways. Stop. Para change. Water covers 70% of the earth's surface, but fresh water for drinking and other uses are about only 2.5%. Stop. Also, this makes water one of the scarce resources that the entire human race consumes. Stop. Apart from that, if we reduce the amount of water we daily use for various activities like bathing, laundry, watering plants, etc., then we can really be able to save water for our future generations. It is the most vital resource that we have received from Mother Nature. Stop. Apart from that, it is also very important for other forms of life on earth like plants, animals, and birds. Stop. The quantity of fresh water is only limited to groundwater, river water and lakes. Stop. Hence, it becomes our duty to safeguard what remains of these precious resources for our future. Stop. Para change also, we require action plans to keep a check on the water pollution that is making it unfit for use. Stop. Para change besides, there are various tips that can save water like as make it your personal responsibility to save water daily. Stop. Install canals on your rooftops so that rainwater can be reused for household purpose or can recharge groundwater. Stop. Use the full capacity of using your washing machine while washing clothes. Stop. Water the plants in the evening to minimize evaporation. Stop. Instead of shower, use buckets because it saves a lot of water. Stop. Do not let the tap running while washing your face on hands. Stop. Increase awareness about Save Water initiative in your locality, school, and neighborhood. Stop. Educate children about water saving from an early age so they can understand its value. Stop.